Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to sew this trending flounce. So I'm done sewing the upper parts of the gown, so I'm going to measure where I want to sew the flounce. So anywhere you want to sew the flounce, that's the way you measure it. So I started my measurements under the bust point. I took the tape all the way down to the back. So look at the way I'm measuring it. When I get to the sleeve, see the way I did it. I take it down until I get to the back. So whatever you get, that is how many inches you are going to cut the flounce. So for me, my own is 28 inches. As you can see, 28 inches. So I'm going to measure it round again in case if you didn't get what I did before. So please watch and see what I'm going to do. I started from under the bust because that's where I want the flounce to start, and I measured it round till the back. So anyhow I want the flounce to, anywhere I want to sew the flounce, anyhow I want it to be, that's the way I'm measuring it. So watch and you understand what I'm doing. So it's 28 inches. So what I'm going to do now is to cut this on the fabric. I'm going to cut the flounce. You see how I'm going to do it. So to cut the flounce, I'm going to fold my material into 4 as I'm doing. So remember what we got from the measurement of the flounce that we want to cut is 28 inches. So instead of cutting 28 inches, I'm going to add 10 inches to the measurement, which is 38 inches. And so 38 divided by 4 is going to give me 9.5 inches. The reason why I'm dividing it by 4 is because the material, I folded it by 4. So I'm going to divide it by 4, which is 9.5 inches. See the way I'm placing my tape. I'm placing it exactly at 9.5 inches, and I'll mark. And then I'm going to join it. It's not really a straight line though, it's just a little curved line. So I want my flounce to be 6 inches. So I'm going to measure 6 inches all the way around, and then I'll connect the dotted lines together like this. Then I'm going to join it together and then cut. So after cutting it out, I'm going to open the flare, and then I'll get the midpoint of the flare. Just watch what I'm doing. I'll get the midpoint of the flare, and then I'll mark it. I'll mark the midpoint. From the midpoint, I'll come in by 4 inches, and then I'll mark. Then from this side, I'm going to come down by 1.5. I'm supposed to come down by 1.5 inch, but I came down by 2 inches. I'll later correct it. Then I'll mark it. So I've already corrected it. Instead of 2 inches, I marked 1.5 inch. Then from that 4 inches I came in by, I'll join it all the way to that 1.5 inch, and then I'll cut it out. Hope you understand what I'm doing. So I'm going to open the center, then from there I'm going to give it a little curve to join the other upper part like this. So this is it, this is the flounce. I'm going to cut 4 pieces of this because I'll use one to form a lining of the other. So I'm going to cut 4 pieces. So this is it, guys. I've already cut it out. I'm going to use a crinoline to turn it, and then I'll show you how it looks like. This is how it looks, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and hit on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.